I remember seeing my two children for the first time, and it was a great moment. These two young people were at our door, and it's like, wow, we're a family now. You know, it's just the same for people when they see their baby for the first time. Our adoption journey began in 2015. You don't really know until you actually start the process if it's going to be right for you or not. We wanted to adopt siblings, so we contacted a local adoption agent that specialised in that. I think people worry that when they start the adoption process, that's it, you're going to get some children. If it's not right for you, then you can step out at any time. We had so much support from our adoption agency, and it did make the process so much easier. Some of it is quite self-reflective. The process can be quite arduous, but by the end of it, you realise, actually, I can do this. This is what I want. What I thought made a great adopter before we started the process was kind of almost like these mythical kind of like super parents. You realise, actually, that's not the standard. All that's needed is parents who can just provide stability, routine, and most importantly, love. What was really cool is how much fun I can have now than compared to how my weekends used to be. There's a bit of craziness there, but there's also a lot of fun. There's lots of these little moments that all add together, and you realise, actually, we're a family.